Today, we're discussing Digital Turbine, ticker symbol APPS, a company that provides mobile app advertising and distribution solutions. As of mid-2025, APPS is trading around $4.60 to $5 per share, showing some recent volatility, but with mixed analyst sentiment. Analyst forecasts vary widely. Some predict a price target as high as $7, reflecting optimism about the company's growth potential in mobile advertising. Others are more cautious, with targets as low as $1, indicating concerns about profitability and market competition. The average price target hovers around $3.30 to $5.75, suggesting a moderate downside to slight upside from current levels. From a technical perspective, APPS is trading near its 50-day moving average of about $4.19 and above its 200-day moving average near $3.09, which can indicate some underlying support. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is around 62, showing the stock is neither overbought nor oversold, but leaning toward positive momentum. For trading strategy, swing trading works well with APPS given its volatility. Consider buying near support levels around $4.20 to $4.50, especially if momentum indicators like RSI or MACD show signs of strength. Target resistance zones near $5.50 to $6.50 for taking profits. Watch volume and moving average crossovers to confirm entry and exit points. Risk management is key. Set stop-loss orders just below support levels to protect against downside, as the stock can be sensitive to earnings reports and market shifts. Keep an eye on company news, especially regarding earnings and partnerships, as these can impact price direction. In summary, APPS offers trading opportunities with moderate upside potential, but also some risks due to mixed analyst views and market volatility. Using technical analysis combined with disciplined risk control can help navigate this stock effectively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more stock insights and trading strategies. This script is based on recent price data, analyst forecasts, and technical indicators from multiple financial sources. 1. https://www.marketbeat.com/stocks/nasdaq/apps/forecast. 2. https://public.com/stocks/apps/forecast-price-target. 3. https://www.tradingview.com/symbols/nasdaq-apps/forecast. 4. https://www.marketwatch.com/investing/stocks/apps/analyst estimates. 5. https://stockanalysis.com/stocks/apps/forecast. 6. https://coincodex.com/stock/apps/price-prediction. 7. https://www.wallstreetsin.com/stocks/nasdaq/apps/stock-forecast. 8. https://www.cnn.com/market/stocks/apps.